Hey guys, it's Allie, and I'm going to be doing my Who I Am project. So, I'm from a small town. It's called Billings, Missouri. The population is about 1,000 people, give or take a couple. And this street right here is like, this was taken in 2004, but it looks the exact same. So, those buildings are still there, that light's still there, like everything, maybe a little better pavement, but it's pretty much the exact same. And then this is the high school. So the high school is K through 12 all in one building. This is the gym, just a part of it. So this is like the gymnasium, but this is mostly the high school wing. So like it separates and like as you get older you go towards the gym, but yeah, it's pretty small. But I am also from a high school larger than my town. So the population of my high school that I went to is actually larger than the population of the town I was born in. I graduated from a public high school. My graduating class had 362 people. When I was at Billings, I had 16 kids in my class. So it was a huge cultural shock, but I did it, and I'm so thankful I did. And I moved after my sixth grade year. So my mom got a job in Republic. It's like 15 minutes from my hometown. So my mom got a job in Republic. She moved there, and then she decided that this would be the best option for me. And then this is the high school right here. This is all 9 through 12. So there's like, my class was 362 people, and that was actually small. So it was like, the like, average is probably like 380. So times four, it's quite a bit of people. I'm the daughter of two teachers. My mother teaches seventh grade English. My father teaches seventh grade math, both at Republic High School. That's the reason I moved to Republic, or Republic Middle School, sorry. That's the reason I moved to Republic, and it's also the reason I wanted to be a teacher. I knew I wanted to do something with kids, but I wasn't quite sure because I don't really like science, so I didn't want to do like pediatrics, so I thought the best fit for me and helping somebody would be teaching. I'm from a very small family. Sadly, I never got to meet my dad's parents, but my mom's parents are still with us today. There's my grandma, my grandpa, my mom, my dad, and my brother. So, my mom's an only child. My dad has two brothers, but one we never talked to, and the other one lives like 4 hours away. So, they have taught me everything from hard work to dedication to love and happiness, and just they've made me into who I am today, and I am forever grateful for them. I'm from Dedication. I've been playing softball since I was 7 years old. My dad was my coach. He was my coach all throughout, like, up until I was probably 10. And then I really didn't do a whole, I got on a different travel team. And then he wasn't my coach again until high school. But it was super fun going through high school with him and just having him there every step of the way. And then I'm attending UAM on a softball scholarship. So I get to come here and play and do the things that I love for cheap education. That is the key. And my favorite quote is set your goals high and don't stop until you get there. And it's just my little motivation that keeps me going every day, even when things absolutely suck. Um, and just who I am personally, I am from a big heart. I have so much love in my heart for my family, for children, for friends, for puppies, especially puppies. That's my new puppy. His name's Maddox. He's the cutest thing ever. I love him so much. These girls right here are actually the reason I want to teach first or kindergarten or first grade. They were at my job. I worked as a like camp counselor this summer, and I got to work with them the whole summer, and they made every day easy and enjoyable, and I wanted to go to work because of those two little girls. And then that's when I decided that they were in first grade, so that's when I decided I wanted to be a teacher. And then I've decided I can't choose between kindergarten or first grade, but I love them. I miss them. Those are my best friends back home. Also miss them a whole lot. Just a couple things is love others the way you want to be loved. So give what you want to receive. Everything will go just alright. Good karma is a huge deal. and be kind. This world needs more kind people. Trust me. I know. And that is all of my presentation. Thank you guys for watching, and I've enjoyed it.